Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find all items from the Dress and Press Valentine's update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to this area, and if you want to get items from Valentine's update, you can click on this heart. Okay, and here you'll be able to get all items from the Dress and Press Valentine's update, and you will be able to wear it here. For example, I'm going to use this item and also this skirt, okay, and this shoe as well. Okay, these are the items from Valentine's update in Dress and Press, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to find all items from the Dress and Press Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!